as an association, we've been working hard on for many years. With the under-16s, we play a small part at the start of their journey. As they progress through with all the coaches in place, we're to help the players that we've got with our high performance strategy. It's really important we try to support them as best we can to ultimately represent Wales. With the Northern Ireland game, we probably found it a little bit difficult to start, being the first game in the competition. But as we grew in the game throughout the half, we reverted back to our processes and stuck to our principles. And then I think that's why ultimately we got the positive result we did in the end. But results aside, I thought we defended resiliently and we tried to play within our principles with the ball. So in general, it was a really pleasing performance, especially to come back from an early goal and then obviously scoring a late goal in the way that we did.
How about the second game on Wednesday then? How do you reflect on that one? Because of course you were 2-0 up. It was a disappointing end to the game.
Yeah, it was a disappointing end to the game, but we can talk about different decisions, but we're not going to go and beat the drum about that because this is youth development. I think what's important for the players is to understand the feeling of disappointment, what that feels like when decisions might not go your way. Part of your development is how you bounce back from that, and hopefully today, through a little bit of adversity, they can show a bit of resilience. Today we're playing Scotland. We'll try and dominate the ball, which I'm sure Scotland will do the same from what we've seen. We want to put on a performance that we can be proud of, a performance that sticks to our principles of play. It's always nice to win games, but ultimately it's not about that. It's about the lads progressing through the pathway, but we fully appreciate that winning is also part of development, which is something we have to focus on as well.
Wales are 1-0 up at the moment. How are you enjoying the game?
Oh, it's very exciting at the minute. Quite nervous watching them. Aidan, the goalkeeper, is my nephew. So we're here representing the family because his parents aren't able to come over from the States to watch him. So
it's interesting because you've just mentioned the States there. He's travelled some way to be here, hasn't he? What can you tell me about that background?
Oh, it's amazing. Well, my brother was a football fanatic all the way growing up, so very much used to being at the sidelines with him, but he went out to America some 20-something years ago to teach football, actually, and stayed out there ever since, and obviously married and brought up a family. But Aidan's also inherited his passion for football, and my brother was a goalkeeper as well.
Oh,
so,
wow, fantastic.
Yeah, so it follows in the family, but he's captain today, which is absolutely amazing for his
super proud family moment.
Absolutely, for his first time playing for Wales and representing Wales is wonderful. He's actually signed up now with New York Red Bulls that he plays with, but he's also with the national side of the US. He's been playing with them for a few games as well, and we're all super proud of him.
So Wales have just gone 2-0 up.
Yeah, brilliant.
As head of player development on this pathway, you must be pretty pleased about that, Rich.
Yeah, great time to score as well. Great time to score for the lads, and great to score from a set piece because I know they work hard on the set pieces. Really good short corner, to be fair, and go to the back stick and we scored top corner. So really good.
What do you make of, how this afternoon has gone, and actually how the week as a whole has gone? How do you assess it?
I always think the Victory Shield's a really good development tournament for the players because of the nature of the teams. Do you know what I mean? So you've got the two Irish teams in Scotland, and it becomes quite tribal. Do you know what I mean? To a certain extent, and you can see, what it means to the kids when they score goals, against each other. There's a lot of celebrating going on. It's the type of tournament where you can watch the players in tough situations against the home nations and assess them in lots of different ways.
The main thing for me is that they can't wait to come back because they've enjoyed it, they've had a great time. They've been successful in terms of the way they've played and the way they've competed. They want to continue their career with Wales, and go right through the pathway.
Well, James, you knew before kicking a ball this afternoon that winning the tournament was out of the question. Republic of Ireland had already sealed that. But to finish the group in second position now and to finish on such a strong performance, you must be really pleased.
Yeah, really proud of what the lads achieved today for them, for their families, for their parents, for the staff. But it's just the start of their journey, like we spoke about before the game. In what we tried to do, how we managed the game in competition football was pleasing to see, and they're getting better each time we work with them, so I'm really proud and pleased for them.
Great experience, my first camp being here with the boys. coming abroad wasn't easy, but it's a really good group of guys. You know, they've worked hard in previous camps, previous tournaments, and that's what got us here. That's what got us a win today. Bit bummed that we didn't win the whole thing, but nothing's perfect. We keep moving, keep trying to improve, and we just keep pushing as a team because that's what we do.
What is it that you enjoy about being involved in this Welsh campaign?
Again, just the boys off the field, really nice, welcomed me with open arms. You know, accent was a bit tough at first, but they got used to it. It's been really good because it's a new experience, new group of players, flying across a new country, so it's been really fun.
And Harry, what will you take home with you from this experience this week? How special has it been?
There's obviously a lot of valuable experiences coming from the Victory Shield. Obviously it's very competitive, but I think just like the side of like controlling the game, obviously we were 2-0 up, and in the other games I think we didn't do that as well, but like now this game we held out and we got our first win.
Enjoy the result this afternoon. Llong gorchiad y mawr I chi. Many congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you
guys so much.
Yeah, thank you.